My O Sound Box by Jane Moncure, illustrated by Rebecca Thornburg. My Sound Box. Little O had a box. I will find things that begin with my sound, he said. I will put them into my sound box. Little O hopped along, hop, hop, hop. He found otters in a pond. Did he put the otters into his box? He did. Little O found an octopus. Did he put the octopus into the box with the otters? He did. But the otters did not like the octopus. The otters hopped out of the box. Hop, hop, hop. They were afraid. Little O put a top on the box so the octopus could not get out. Then he put the otters on top of the box. Away he went, hop, hop, hop. Then little O found an ostrich. He hopped on the ostrich. Hop, he said. But the ostrich would not hop. So little O put the ostrich on top of the box. Now the box was heavy. Little O found an ox. You are just what I need for my box, he said. Away they went, hop, 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 all the way home. Little O took the things out of the box. What funny things he had. Little O's word list: octopus, otter, ostrich, and ox. Other words with the short sound: October, omelet, orangutan, olive, orange, owl. Words with the long O sound: or, ocean, oval, oatmeal, okra, and overalls. The end. Hope you guys enjoyed my little O Soundbox book.